So go to tools and click on Firebase. Firebase Assistant will be opened. So there you can find analytics, authentication, real-time database, Firestore. So Firestore is a database which will be connecting, and before that we will connect our project to Firebase. Go to the analytics and click on first option, connect. There a web browser will be opened, and go to the Firebase web and click on add project. So click on continue. Your app name will be visible, and just scroll down and click on continue. So from here you choose your country name. Suppose we are in India, we'll choose India. So let me just scroll it down. And select India, and checkbox, click on all checkboxes and click continue. Create project. So once it is started creating project, please wait until it is creating project. So once it is created, just click on continue. And so meanwhile it is creating, and it will be sending a request to Android Studio from this website. So please wait. So now you can see your Firebase Android app has been created in Firebase. Just click on continue. Open Android Studio where you have created your project. There you can see the resources will be received, and your project is connected to Firebase will be opened here. Go to Android Studio, and here you can see it is connected option will be shown there. Next we will connect dependencies. Just go back. You can see the option add analytics to your app. Click that and click on blue button accept changes. So meanwhile it will be syncing, dependencies will be added to build.gradle file. So to add authentication to so just go to the authentication path and just click on email password, and then add Firebase to your app and accept changes. Meanwhile the build.gradle is building. So it is downloading the play services and dependencies required. Once it is finished, now we can add authentication to our app. So let's create one activity. So go to Java and open, click here, left click, and just open new and activity. So go to the empty activity. So just click on empty activity and name that activity as login activity. Okay, so it is a launcher activity because it should be loaded first. So click on this launcher icon, and that's it. And our code is Java, and click on finish. So the activity will be created with XML layout also. So just wait. After it will be starting build.gradle file. Once build.gradle sync is finished, now we can add authentication to our this one. So just we'll be building here layout. Just close this assessed folder, Firebase. Just close it and come to the code. We'll be designing a layout. Just change this to linear layout, and orientation means you want horizontal orientation or vertical. So here I am using vertical orientation. You can put a button, button, So the size of the button is match parent and height is wrap content. And just close the button and text to the button, suppose login. Then center in parent, center vertical, so just click it to true and the button. So let's change the background button, background color as a color or primary, and text color you so I'll change into white, so hash FFF, so 3 F's, will change the color to bright and will give some margin horizontal, so such that it should not touch the layout. Here you can see that we have designed this login button, and you can change the background also. You can give your name here, suppose we'll take a text view and give our app name, so text view, just click on text view, so match parent, or we can take a wrap content, and this is also wrap content, and give name to your text view. So let's give text to our text view and our app name. So and let's text color black, so hash 000. Next, text style is to bold, so text style will change this to bold, and we'll place the text view at the center. So just text alignment, align parent start or parent and align center in parent you can take, and I just place it to true, and I will give ID to our button because we have to access this into Java file, so give ID. So we'll write it this as login, and this text view our app name ID, so just app ID. Again I'll place this text view above the button, so just above, click right above, you'll get layout above, and place button ID, so such that this text view, and we can give margin top to bottom, so margin top 10 dp, so to that this name, and we'll give text size, just increase the text size to 20 sp, such that it will be look somewhat bigger like this. So our layout has been designed, and just we'll be adding Java code. So in my previous video I have shown you how to use various authentications. So in this video also, in this app also, we'll be using authentication using Firebase UI. So let's get started. So in order to add Google authentication to our app, we have to use Firebase Auth UI, and I'll be pasting here the dependency. So this is the dependency here, and this is Firebase UI. So just click on sync by adding dependency, it will be syncing. Wait for a moment. After that we'll be using our button for that, so login button, so login button. Next we'll be accessing the button using its ID, so is equal to find view by ID, and whatever the ID which we have given in our XML layout. So let's check what was the ID. So we have given login for our button ID, so just keep r dot id dot login, so you can see the options are available. Next we'll be adding action, what we should do by when we click the button. So for that, login button, same variable we access, set on click listener, so you can see set on click listener. So just type new on click listener,